Good morning, students. चलिए, in lecture number 1 and lecture number 2 we have studied the theory. Now in lecture number 3 we'll study some practical examples. Okay. चलिए, ये आपके सामने एक quadrilateral given है. This is a quadrilateral and they have given you three angles, interior angles, and you have to find the value of x. Got it? चलो, अब इसके लिए आपको ये याद होना चाहिए था. In quadrilateral, sum of all the four interior angles. In quadrilateral, sum of all the four interior angle is always equal to 360 degree. Got it? So you will write like the 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus x will give you 360 degree. ठीक है, चारों इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 360 होता है. चारों इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 360 डिग्री होता है. बस अब आप इसको एल्जेब्रिकली सॉल्व कर देंगे. ठीक है, so this is 100 and 100, 200, 250 plus 50, 300. When you add, you will get 300. Got it? Now plus 360 plus 300 will shift on that side and it will become, so x is equal to 60 degree. So what is the answer of that unknown? The answer of that unknown is x equal to 60 degree. Clear? Got it? चलिए, बहुत अच्छी बात, लिख लो फटाफट. This is your question number 1. Now come to next question. Next question is (60 degree, 70 degree). This is x. This is 90 and this is y. Got it? You have to find the value of x and y. You have to find the value of x and y. चलिए, ठीक है. सबसे पहले ध्यान रखो, this is exterior angle and this is interior angle. This is one exterior angle, this is one interior angle. आपको मालूम है लीनियर पेयर की मदद से, लीनियर पेयर, what is linear pair? You know that 90 plus y is equal to 180 degree. This is called linear pair. 90 plus y is equal to 180 डिग्री. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था ये चीज, इंटीरियर एंगल और एक्सटीरियर एंगल का सम हमेशा 180 होता है. वन इंटीरियर प्लस वन एक्सटीरियर इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. दिस इज नोन एज लीनियर पेयर. दिस इज नोन एज लीनियर पेयर. नाउ दिस प्लस 90 विल शिफ्ट ऑन दैट साइड. सो y इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. तो आपके y का आंसर 90 डिग्री आ गया बच्चे. ठीक है, लिख लो फटाफट. द आंसर ऑफ y इज 90 डिग्री. क्लियर? नाउ रब दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल. नाउ टेल मी दिस, देयर आर फोर इंटीरियर एंगल्स. देयर आर फोर इंटीरियर एंगल्स एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. क्या आपको मालूम है चारों इंटीरियर एंगल का सम, द सम ऑफ ऑल द फोर इंटीरियर एंगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. सो x plus 90 plus 60 plus 70 will give you 360 degree. Clear? Now add this one. (220) x is equal to 360 minus 220. तो आई थिंक x is equal to 140. x is equal to 140 बच्चे. ये सब्ट्रैक्शन एब्ट्रैक्शन तो आप लोग अच्छे से कर लोगे. फर्स्ट ऐड दिस वन, यू विल गेट 220, फिर ये 220 वहां सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. यू विल गेट 360 माइनस 220, दैट इज 140. प्लीज राइट इट वेरी प्रॉपरली. ओके, कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. This is 90, this is 30. You have to find the answer of x, you have to find the answer of y, you have to find the answer of z, you have to find the answer of m. आपको सभी का आंसर निकालने हैं. ठीक है, चलिए सबसे पहले बताओ, इन ट्राइंगल सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. इन ट्राइंगल सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. गॉट इट? दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल, that in triangle sum of interior angle 90 plus 30 plus m इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। ये तो आप भूल नहीं सकते भाई, ये तो आपको याद रहना चाहिए। 90 + 30 + m will give you 180 degree. Sum of interior angle in a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. 90 + 30 120 plus m is equal to m is equal to 60 degree. Got it? So the answer of m is 60 degree. Please write it very fast. The answer of m is 60 degree. Write it. Written or not? Good. Now we will find the answer of this x, y and z, but with the help of linear pair. With the help of linear pair. Now please, this you will solve it by yourself. You all know that x plus 30 is equal to 180. You know that 60 plus y is equal to 180. You know that z plus 90 is equal to 180. This you know that. This is known as linear pair. X plus 30, 180 degree. 60 plus y, 180 degree. 90 plus z, 180 degree. Clear? Now solve it. X is equal to 180 minus 30. X is equal to 150 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 60. Y is equal to 120 degree. Z is equal to 180 minus 90. Z equal to 90 degree. Got it? So the answer of x, the answer of y, the answer of z, the answer of m. Everything came. Good. Write down one more question and try to do it by yourself only. 120, 80, 60. You have to find the answer of x. You have to find the answer of y. Find the answer of m. Find the answer of r. Find the answer of z. You have to find all these things. Got it? It will be like this. Find the answer of z. Clear? Chalo, first of all, concentrate on interior angles of a quadrilateral. Interior angles of a quadrilateral. X is the interior angle. 120 is the interior angle. 80 and 60 are the interior angle. Now tell me, what are the sum of all the four interior angles? The sum of all the four interior angle is always equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the four interior angle is always equal to 360 degree. ये तो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो भाई. Add this simply. 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 60, 260. So the answer of x is 100 degree. The answer of x is 100 degree. Please write it. In place of x, you will write 100. We have used angle sum property of quadrilateral. We have used angle sum property of quadrilateral. Got it? Chalo, now, after finding the answer of x, with the help of linear pair, please find the answer of z, y, m, r. You know that z plus 100 is equal to 180. Solve it, you will get the answer of z. 120 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Solve it, you will get the answer of y. 80 plus m is equal to 180 degree. Solve it. R plus 60 is equal to 180. R is equal to Z is equal to, ये तो बेसिक सॉल्विंग है, आपको बनना चाहिए. ये प्लस 100 वहां जाके माइनस 100 हो जाएगा. ये प्लस 60 वहां जाके माइनस 60 हो जाएगा. ये प्लस 80 वहां जाके माइनस 80 हो जाएगा. ये प्लस 120 वहाँ जाके माइनस 120 हो जाएगा, तो 180 माइनस 120 विल गिव यू y इज इक्वल टू 60. Got it? So please write down in a very proper manner. Thank you बच्चे, all the best.